Hello, I will be introducing to you Padlet. If you're looking for a web-based application that serves as a platform for collaboration, knowledge sharing, and collage of ideas for exploration as an individual, groups, or class, Padlet is a great application which is definitely easy to create. There are so many interesting ways to use Padlet for any topic, any subject that could support teaching and learning. For example, to show students' understanding of an overall topic, brainstorm on research project, and even write a reflection. The uses of this tool is virtually endless. Best of all, it is free, so yay! On the other hand, you may choose to upgrade with a fee whichever that would better suit your needs. And these additional features for Backpack for School include extra security through backup, bigger file uploads, and even content filtering. The Jetpack for individuals includes more design features, but in my view, the basic functions are just as great. Teachers who are new to Padlet, you can sign up easily. What about students? Good news, they do not need to create. You can always provide the link for them to access the Padlet, which I will show you later. I will now log in using my existing account. And this is the dashboard, the first screen you see after sign in. It includes a feed of recent updates to your Padlets and a list of Padlets you have made. So let's make a Padlet now. Here, you can see the virtual wall, which looks as similar as a bulletin board where multiple users can simultaneously display information. The column on my right allows you to edit the title of the Padlet and add description which has no word limit. You may include instructions on what sort of task you want your students to do and learning objectives that they are expected to achieve. And the description will appear here. Alternatively, you can post them on the wall. You can even have a choice to select your layout and wallpaper to make your Padlet visually attractive. To track students' contributions, you can use these features to show the author's name of each post and allow comments. And this is the link in your address bar which you can copy, paste on your class Google Doc, and parents will also be able to view the class work. And here you can set the privacy options. So now I am going to double click anywhere on this wall to post. Hi. It shows the author's name at the top of the post, timestamp, and add comment function which users can directly comment. It also allows users to include voice recording, videos, links, images. Additionally, prior to lesson, you may give students a head start on the topic by doing KWL chart, or bring in short articles on the wall to brainstorm and discuss collaboratively, or get them to post individual questions about the topic. For example, this Padlet was created in the past for my teaching and learning of science on the topic of digestive system for Primary 4. From here, I could gather a sense of students' existing knowledge and cater to their misconceptions more concisely. I would say Padlet is a fantastic interactive tool to use in the classroom. Not only it is for collaborative learning, but for self-directed learning. In a way, Padlet can empower students to think more meaningfully by relating to real-world context, ownership of knowledge, and together maximize learning by supporting each other's work. Students can anytime reference this Padlet if they need guidance without the teacher having to instruct. Padlet would provide a useful, long-term learning process where students can compare changes and add on top of what was first created, and therefore extending the existing knowledge structure by linking new information. More importantly, Padlet allows to collaborate in a secure location. Only users with the link are able to access. And users can reach out to all accessibly on multiple platforms such as desktops, laptops, tablets, and smartphones, providing technical support, Well, yes, Padlet does. Now, what I really like best about Padlet from a student's point of view is its visual feature that allows me to mentally make connections with the ideas that are mapped out on the wall. It makes a good scaffolding. From a teacher's point of view, I can visualize the social interaction among students and view students' progress. However, the limitation is that some users might find the information too cluttered. It would be really beneficial if the user can create notes to link between posts. Moreover, it works on internet connection. If Padlet allows users to work offline too, for someone who has ideas to pen on the go, it would be wonderful. And it is not advertisement free, but nevertheless, Padlet is arguably engaging and an active, unending learning process, and definitely the tool for the classroom.